All right, that was just my carrot cake that I crumbled. All right, we're gonna move that to the side and then bring in a large bowl. And into our bowl, we're gonna add 2 blocks of softened cream cheese right in there. Then I'm gonna come in with my granulated sugar and I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of sugar right in there. Perfect. Maybe a little bit more because it wasn't a full 1/2 cup. All right, and then I have some pure vanilla extract and we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of this, which for this container, the lid is a teaspoon. Perfect. Now to add a little bit of tanginess with that cream cheese, we're gonna add a squirt of lemon juice. And then we have some powdered sugar, and yes, you need both sugars, but this one we're only gonna add 1/4 cup of sugar. So that's perfect. And then before we get this mixing, I'm gonna add a scoop of my sour cream, and I'm just using my ice cream scoop. And this is also gonna add some tanginess because we are making a no-bake cheesecake mixture. Ooh, this is the best way to do it. We're gonna grab our hand mixer with our new beaters on there and we're gonna mix this together. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. All right, that looks beautiful. Now to get this extra fluffy, we're gonna add 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Now, if you don't like Cool Whip, you can just make a homemade whipped cream. Just use some heavy cream and whip it up. But for this, I really just wanted to use Cool Whip because it's my favorite. So we are going to fold that in so that it gets nice and fluffy and blended together. You wanna make sure you fold it instead of using the hand mixer because the hand mixer will make that Cool Whip deflate. Okay, our no-bake cheesecake is fully made and it looks absolutely delicious. Now we can bring in our vessels for this dessert and I am using my champagne coupes. Look how adorable these are. I just feel like they really elevate the dessert and make it look so good. We're gonna bring back in our cake crumbles and I have a large scooper and we're gonna scoop our cake crumbles right into our coupes just like so. We want a nice thick layer of that carrot cake right in there. This is gonna be so yummy. I absolutely love carrot cake for Easter, but honestly, you can make this dessert year round. Switch up the cake mix, switch up the toppings. It is so versatile, but we're gonna go ahead and make sure that this has some good thick layer of cake. I went ahead and transferred my no-bake cheesecake into a piping bag so that we can just pipe our mixture right onto that carrot cake just so elegantly so that it looks even prettier than it already did. And we're just going into a spiral. Ooh, and if you could find that Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake, you can make this dessert even easier by using that instead of the homemade cheesecake I made, but honestly, this is just as good. So let's go ahead and get our cheesecake on all 6 of these. All right, now this is just missing one thing, and that is a crunch factor. So I have my walnuts here, which go perfect with all of these ingredients, and we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top. Not only will it add a crunch, but it also makes it look even more presentable. Look how cute these are. Imagine serving these on Easter and everyone just being so impressed with how gorgeous these are. They're almost like a mini trifle. Everyone gets their own individual trifle. Okay, it's time to give this a try. Ooh, I'm so excited. Carrot cake, cheesecake, walnuts.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. Wow.